capacity of the leadership under humanity consideration, the government of India gave shelter to the various refugees who followed the leadership of His Holiness. As you know, our Holiness is a compassionate, self-realistic, religious monk in the entire world. As I already said, He is a living God to the entire global community, not only for the Tibetans. His role has been recognized by the government of India by providing an opportunity to create a government under the democratic setup in Dharmashala. Today, you have your own government of the Tibetan government in exile, which is recognized not only by India, by all over the world. Recognizing the role and leadership of His Holiness for the cause of Tibet, for the cause of humanitarian rights, he was awarded Nobel Peace Prize, the highest award in the globe. It is not ordinary award. By recognizing his role and capacity in the nature, who is fighting for the peace and non-violence for the entire, not only for the Tibetan people, he is fighting for the world peace. Such a great personality we have. The entire globe, including America, European countries, Canada, invited His Holiness to their respective parliament to extend their support to get the freedom for the Tibet and assist leadership. Do you know, he was invited to various parliaments. His Holiness was invited by various parliaments, including America, European countries, and other countries. India has played a major role highlighting the cause of Tibet. Nobody questioned his integrity and the capacity. But the recent event deliberately created by Chinese Communist Party, by catching hold of some of the vested media, interested media, they have now His Holiness, who was awarded a Nobel Peace Prize, that he is not a good leader in the eyes of the bloody Chinese Communist Party. Who is responsible for the creation of COVID-19 in the entire world? Where was the media? It was the China government, it was the Chinese Communist Party responsible for creating the COVID for the entire world. We took the lives of millions of people in the entire world. Nobody bothered. This media never bothered about this type of the creation of COVID by the Chinese people. Not only we have lost the lives of many people around the world, we have lost our economy, we have lost our grief, we have lost our friends and relatives due to COVID, creation of COVID by the various people. But media never played an important role in highlighting the issue created by China. The so-called media, what media is doing for the Ukraine and Russia war? Because of the Ukraine and Russia war, the entire world is suffering economically, politically, socially, spiritually. Media is not bothered to highlight all those issues. Media is also not bothered about highlighting the poverty, hunger, various racial issues around the world. What is going on in Sudan recently? There's a clash between the military and the paramilitary forces. Like that, in the African countries, millions of people are dying due to poverty and hunger, media is not bothered. But the recent thing happened with regard to our holiness in the month of February. In the month of February, this so-called incident happened. Now the issue has been created after a lapse of 1.5 months. What is the hidden agenda behind it? After the lapse of 1.5 months, by getting the edited video of the incident, according to the incident, who is the victim? According to media, who is the victim here? Boy was the victim. What was the victim? Spoke. Victim was so thrilled in the presence of His Holiness. He made open statement that positive energy has been created in his body by getting the blessing of His Holiness. He broken the coconut in front of Holiness to get the blessings of His Holiness. His mother, boy's mother, who is a doctor, spoke openly that we are really blessed by His Holiness. This media is aware of the culture and tradition of this Buddhism and Hinduism. Among Hindus and Buddhism, we have the tradition and the culture, hugging each other, kissing each other, blessing each other by putting the hand on the forehead of each and everyone who goes for the blessing. Like that, our holiness always gives humorous blessing by laughing, touching, kissing, like a grandfather to a grandchild in the incident. It is grandfather and the grandchild relationship. The incident happened in the four corner of a particular place. The incident in the presence of so-called graduates was happened. Many people were there. It was an open occasion to express the feelings of His Holiness, to advise the youngsters, particularly graduates. So during that occasion, the boy voluntarily stood up and requested for the blessings by hugging the Holiness. Then Holiness was so thrilled, was so happy to invite that boy to the stage for hugging. It was not a secret thing. In the presence of many audience, His Holiness, our great Mahatma, hugged the boy like a grandfather and grandchild. After the incident, this media must have highlighted that issue. They have connected this issue as a sexual assault. What a shameful act of the media. They have connected a sexual assault. Do they know the meaning of love and lust? The man who is aged about 87, 88 years, hugging a boy, kissing a boy of a grandchild in nature, this vested interest, this so-called media connecting the incident as a lust, not love. What a shame! It's a shame on the part of humanity and their humanity, not only for Tibetans. We always admire our holiness. We have a tradition of Nalanda University, Hindu University. The Buddhist and Hinduism is one and the same in maintaining the tradition and the culture and making puja and loving each other. But this media, so-called media, do you know, I saw yesterday, this media, particular media has been prevented to enter the Ladakh, where the G20 meeting is going to head. Boycotting it. They have decided to boycott this media. They are trying to prevent them because media created this type of awkward situation. Entire world, in spite of this bloody incident, the hidden agenda of Chinese Communist Party is to defend the image of holiness in the eye of world community. It is not happening. If the media feels that it is going to defend the image of His Holiness, it will never happen. It will never happen. What is the role of media under a democratic setup? It happens to be the fourth pillar of the democracy. We have four organs: executive, legislative, and judiciary. After judiciary, this press comes as a fourth pillar. What is the responsibility of the fourth pillar? To whatever mistake committed by other three organs, it is the duty of the press to highlight the mistakes committed by three organs, but they are not doing. Some of the medias are paid agents of so-called communist government. Paid agents. Are they living on the blessing of those paid agents? It is shameful on the part of the press. I am not blaming the entire media. The media who have vested interest in creating this type of situation, in defaming the image of our holiness, great holiness. It is shameful. We should condemn it. We should attack it. It is highly defamatory. If the same is continued, we will fight it through court also. I request the United Nations Authority to initiate an inquiry on this issue. Let them inquire. Let them allow the authorities or the media to play the entire video, not selected video, not edited video. I have gone through the entire video. I have not come across such a bad intention of His Holiness in damaging the image of the boy. Friends, this is high time to get up and protest against the so-called the media bad interest. So I was there yesterday. More than 2,000 monks were present in the central school premises. Today, I am happy that you people, Tibetans, civil Tibetans gathered here to express our solidarity to Holiness, because it's a man of age about 88 years. He has no intention except to provide shelter to the Tibetan community and to support for peace and tranquility, for the world peace, not only for the Tibetans, not only for the Indians. Holiness always has been telling that for India, not the Pakistan is the enemy, it is China is the biggest enemy. Now, China, not only biggest enemy to India, has biggest enemy to the entire world. Do you know they have started spying by providing police stations to various countries, establishing police stations, by sending drones. They have damaged the world peace, and they have taken the lives of many people. Friends, Indo-Tibetan Friendship Society always there for you to help a state of solidarity under any circumstances at the cost of our lives. Because, as you know, China is also watching us. We are also in the hit list, but we don't care. We don't care. Because Holiness is fighting for the cause of the world peace. So let us try to consolidate the solidarity always. So with these words, because we are all sitting on the hot sun, I don't want to allow you to sit for a longer period. So Let us pray for the long life of His Holiness Dalai Lama. Thank you very much. Thank you.